In front of me is Nokia 8210 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening menu and going into gallery. Now click on this left button, select delete items, click on left button again and tap on select all. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. Now click on the one that you wish to leave. And to delete the rest, use this pin on the right. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!